Brand.dev AI has just been released, and there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving into this innovative software. Whether you're a digital marketer, business owner, or just someone exploring the latest AI tools, this review will give you the insights you need to decide if Brand.dev AI is the right choice for you. Stick around till the end because I'm also going to reveal how you can try it out for free. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First off, Brand.dev AI is designed for people who want to streamline their brand building and marketing efforts with the help of cutting-edge artificial intelligence. It automates a lot of the tasks that would otherwise take a significant amount of time and effort. For those of you looking to scale your marketing campaigns without burning out, Brand.dev AI might be a game changer. One of the standout features of this tool is its ability to generate high-quality content. The AI can quickly create blog posts, social media captions, and even email campaigns that are tailored to your brand's tone and style. This makes it a perfect choice for businesses that need to maintain a consistent voice across multiple channels, but don't have the resources to hire a large team of content creators. Another thing that sets Brand.dev AI apart is its comprehensive analytics. Unlike many other AI tools, Brand.dev doesn't just automate your processes, it also gives you data-driven insights into what's working and what isn't. With detailed reports on engagement, conversion rates, and customer behavior, you'll be able to adjust your strategies and improve performance in real time. Now, if you're someone who likes having control over your processes, you'll appreciate the customization options Brand.dev offers. From defining your target audience to adjusting your content's tone and style, the software gives you full control over how your brand is represented. It's not just a one-size-fits-all solution. You can fine-tune it to match your unique business needs. The platform also excels when it comes to scalability. Whether you're a startup or an established enterprise, Brand.dev AI can grow with you. As your business expands, you can seamlessly adjust your strategies and workflows. No more worrying about whether your marketing tools will keep up with your growth. User experience is another area where Brand.dev shines. The interface is clean and intuitive, which means you can hit the ground running without a steep learning curve. You can jump straight into the platform, create campaigns, and start seeing results in no time, even if you're not particularly tech-savvy. Of course, pricing is always a concern when evaluating new software, and Brand.dev AI delivers great value for what it offers. They have a free trial, which means you can test out all the features before committing to a paid plan. I highly recommend taking advantage of that to see if this AI software is a good fit for your needs. Finally, while Brand.dev AI offers a ton of functionality, it's important to remember that it's not a magic bullet. Like any tool, it works best when paired with a solid strategy. You still need to know your audience, your goals, and your brand's unique needs. That said, if you already have a strong foundation, this software can significantly amplify your results. Now, I know you're eager to try it for yourself, and you absolutely should. Just click the first link below to get started with Brand.dev AI, and don't forget I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I've also listed my recommended options for you to try for free in the description. Give Brand.dev AI a shot and see how it can help you take your brand and marketing efforts to the next level.